No, 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 stop, stop. Get me the out of here. What the was that? Over the past 2 years, I've taken some pretty sizable losses, and that's what this video is going to be all about, analyzing the live footage from those 5 losses. Some of it's kind of funny. Here are all my losses over here in TraderVue. I'm actually going to show the clip from number 6 as well, because number 3, I ended stream early this day. I went back to the footage that I had, and apparently I was having internet issues that day. I don't know if that is related to why I lost $300 on that particular trade, but regardless, I'm going to show you an extra one here. Snap, I also don't have footage for, and the reason is because this one happened back in 2020. And you'll see everything on this page is from 2022, except for this one. But most of these are from 2022. The reason is because I scaled up this year, and I scaled up in 2021 as well. So Snap was actually from 2 scale ups ago. But why is it in my top 5 losses? I mean, you got to be kidding me. I was taking 500 shares back then. Now I'm taking 5,000 or 10,000 shares. Well, the reason is I averaged down. So let's take a look at this graph here. And so I bought one position, and obviously it moved against me really fast. So I was thinking, well, it's got to bounce. It moved down so quickly. I'll just buy another lot. Okay, it flushes some more. Now I'm a little worried, but we're at support, so I'll just buy another lot. And now I've got a way bigger position than I really originally anticipated. It flushes down some more. And now I'm sweating bullets and saying to myself, well, this will just be my last buy. It can't go any lower, right? I have to buy a little bit more here. I buy some more. It flushes a little bit lower. I get out of my position, and then boom, it shoots back up. This right here is exactly why you do not average down. And since October 22nd, 2020, I have never averaged in to a single scalp trade again. And look, I would highly recommend, if this is something that you do now, you got to cut it out of your trading, because it's affecting your learning curve. It's slowing down that learning process. You can be profitable for a long time averaging into trades, but it only takes one. Once you have that one trade, it's going to be a massive loss, and you're going to give back a week, a month, a year of gains. So please, please, please be very careful doing this. I'm glad I learned this lesson so early, and I was able to adjust and fix it and never do it again. All right, so I'm going to take you through these 4 video clips from my top losses. They should be pretty good. I hope you enjoy. All right, 2 things before we get into the first clip here. First of all, if you haven't seen me trade before, if you're new here, my style is to buy and immediately expect the move to go in my favor. And if it doesn't, then I'm usually going to get out on the bid. And the issue is, if the bid flushes out and I just trade it in a very poor spot, I could take a big loss. And so that's what you're going to see in these clips here. Second thing, I'm going to turn my webcam off here. That way you can see the webcam from the live stream. And I'm also going to turn the sound up on the YouTube video. That way you can hear how I was reacting real time. In this particular clip, we're looking at 310. There's going to be a large bid, I think right around 310. And I went to buy in front of it, and as you'll see, it's going to flush out on me.
Order filled. Order filled.
Wow. I just bought at the worst possible time ever. So you heard me say there, you got in at the worst possible time. And the reason I said that is we have stops below 310, the psychological level, below that big order that I tried to buy in front of. We also got stops below these candles here. And really what I was looking for is a 2 to 3 cent pop to the upside. And what we got is a bunch of stop losses getting triggered, flushed us down at 305, 304. So the risk to reward just really wasn't there. This is a very poor trade. Usually I don't trade at these spots. I trade near the high a day. So I tried to do something a little bit outside of my comfort zone, and I paid for it. And this is really slow. Really slow to film me. What's going on here? No, 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 stop, stop. Get me the out of here. What the f was that? Did my stream deck just... What just happened? What just happened? Holy shit. So what you saw happen there was something went haywire with either my stream deck, which is the buttons that I press to buy or sell shares, or it was the USB-C hub, which I just bought and was plugging my stream deck into. Now I directly plug my stream deck into my computer. I don't know if it was actually the USB-C hub that caused the issue, but basically what happened is I put in 16 buy orders when I wanted one. Something went really, really wrong. And all I could see happening was the buy orders flooding the system. And I ended up with 8,000 shares of something that I wanted 500 of. So that was, a little terrifying. Thankfully, the loss was minimal. I think we could have had the opportunity to lose a lot more there. So I think I got pretty lucky. All right, what you're going to see in this clip is we had just opened the day. We got about 450,000 shares of volume that traded in that first minute. And on a $1 stock, that's really kind of terrible. What I did see was a larger bid down at 160. And so I think the idea was to buy in front of that and hope for a rip through high a day. But as you can see, a big buyer or a big seller came in and just flushed us out. So really, this wasn't a high quality trade. And I think I went a little bigger than I should have on this.
Order filled.
AGRI. CLSD.
Order filled.
Wow. I just got crushed. Oh my God.
MULN.
Ay. All right, for our last clip, CLVS here is selling off, and I'm trying to do a dip buy, which is something I'll do kind of frequently, but in this case, I did something a little different, which is buying on the bid. I never buy on the bid. I always buy the ask, and not only that, but I hit the button twice by accident. So I bought the bid twice, and what happened is there was just a big seller that came in, saw the liquidity, ate it up, and flushed me out pretty good. And I didn't even realize that I had that second position on. Thankfully, it didn't flush too much further than my original sell on the first lot, but still twice the loss that I was expecting. Let's play the clip. One more.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh my God.
Order filled.
I hit the button twice. Me. I'm down 336 now. 366. Oh, God damn it. I hit the buy bid button and I accidentally clicked it twice. There could not have been a worse situation to hit that button twice. I cannot believe that. Oh my God. That's going to do it, guys. If you're still around, thank you for watching the full video. If you did like it, please do leave me a like. That really helps me out. And, analyzing your losses, probably one of the most powerful habits you can have as a trader. The winners are one thing, but you really do learn so much more from your losses. So definitely something to add to the repertoire. You can find me live trading every morning, 9:15 to around 10:30 Eastern time. And you can. That's right on YouTube. So if you want to enable that notification bell, you get notified when I go live every morning. Trade alongside me. All my stuff's live. Thanks for sticking around, and I'll see you in the next video.